Most local AI models force a trade-off. Either they fit on your hardware or they're actually capable. Qwen3.8 skips that trade-off. It's a 27.8 billion parameter model that runs on a single consumer GPU, and it thinks, sees images, and calls tools like a much bigger cloud model. In this video, you'll learn how to install it, pick the right download for your hardware, run your first prompt, and control exactly how much the model reasons before it answers. Ollama is the tool that runs Qwen3.8 on your machine. On Linux or Mac, one command installs it. On Windows, you can use winget instead. Once it's installed, check the version to confirm it's current. Qwen3.8 support needs a recent release of Ollama. Now for the model itself. Qwen3.8 ships in a few different sizes, and picking the right one matters more than with most models, since this is a dense model, not a mixture of experts. That means every single parameter loads into memory, so the download size is exactly what you need in RAM and VRAM. No hidden savings. The default download is 18 gigabytes. That's the one most people should start with. It needs about 17 to 24 gigabytes of combined RAM and VRAM. That fits a single RTX 4090 or a Mac with enough unified memory. If your hardware has more room, larger tags exist too. 30 gigabytes for higher precision, and 56 gigabytes for the full uncompressed model. Neither is necessary for most day-to-day use. And if you're on Apple Silicon specifically, there's an MLX-optimized version of that same 18 gigabyte download. It runs noticeably faster on Mac hardware than the standard version since it's built for Apple's own machine learning framework instead of the generic format. To pull and run the default version, type Ollama Run Qwen3.8. Ollama downloads the model and drops you straight into a prompt. Try asking it something real. Since thinking mode is on by default, you'll see the model reason through the problem before it gives you a final answer. That's not a bug, that's Qwen3.8 showing its work, and it's a big part of why this model handles harder coding and planning tasks better than models that just answer immediately. If you want faster, more direct answers on simple questions, you can turn thinking off entirely with a single command in the terminal. Qwen3.8 isn't only a text model either. It reads images too. Point it at a screenshot or a photo, ask what's in it, and it responds the same way it would to a text question. And if you're building something with it, you get real control over how hard it thinks. A setting called reasoning effort lets you dial reasoning up for a genuinely hard problem or down for something simple and fast. Last piece. Qwen3.8 works with coding agents like Hermes Agent or OpenClaw through Ollama's own API. Point your agent's configuration at Qwen3.8 and it runs with the model's full context window. 256,000 tokens, no extra setup needed. So that's Qwen3.8. Install Ollama, pull the model, and you've got a local AI that reasons, sees, and runs on hardware you probably already own. The full written guide with every command is linked in the description. And if you want more guides like this one, our free newsletter covers new AI tools and models every day.